Hello, this is Missey Grace. How are you doing? So today we're going to look at the cookware and bakeware that you will use frequently. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, other than the kettle and toaster, the most essential items that I will have is an electric beater, a high-speed bullet blender, and a conventional blender, plus a very nice all-purpose food processor that I use. In terms of cookware, stock pot or a pot that's big enough to make soup and pasta. Then I will have small, medium, large saucepan to do different kind of cooking, plus a small one to warm up, such as milk or to make some sauce with. Then I will have a small size fry pan that is really useful for making pancakes or omelette, and a flat one to make crepes. Next that I go back to use time and time again is a saute pan, and also a larger one for making fried rice or fried noodle or any stir-fried item. Next, let's have a look at the bakeware and cookware that we need. A very sturdy baking dish that you can do the roast veggie and potato with, and loaf tin, cake tin or pie tin, and a casserole dish, patty and muffin tin, and a spring form cake tin that you can remove the outer and release it, so you can have your cheesecake or something to move out really quickly. And this is a nice loaf tin that you can bake bread with. And let's not forget the pizza pan. Also a baking sheet that you can bake cookies with. Last but not least, a cake rack, so you can remove the baked item, let them cool naturally. So there you have it, really basic and essential cookware and bakeware for you to have in the kitchen. Until next time, be well, be happy.